Hey there, thank you for purchasing the monthly budget tracker. I'm so excited to have you on board. Before we dive in, let's go over a few important things to get you started smoothly. First things first, head over to the README page. This is your go-to guide for using the tracker. If you ever need to reach out, hover over the Contact Us tab and our email address will pop up. That's where you can send any questions or queries. Also, keep your download email safe. You'll need it to download your editable copy of the spreadsheet. Next, let's look at the example Do Not Edit page. This page is filled with sample data to help you understand how everything works. It's important, please do not edit anything on this page, it's just for reference. Now let's get your budget tracker ready for action. First, change the month of your current month to your current month, then update the currency symbol to your local currency. This will automatically adjust throughout the spreadsheet. You also notice a few small arrows here and there. Hover over them for extra guidance. There are only about 3 or 4, so nothing overwhelming. Now let's start filling in your budget. Begin by entering your budgeted income and your actual income, then move down to expenses. You can customize the descriptions, so if you want to change cell phone to phone, go for it. For each expense, enter the budgeted amount, what you plan to spend, the actual amount, what you actually spent. The expense categories include housing, transportation, insurance, dependents, food, pets, personal care, entertainment, gifts and donations, savings, as well as sundries. Sundries is for anything that doesn't fit into the other categories. There's a bonus feature. In your copy of the spreadsheet, there's one extra feature, the grocery list tab. Instead of manually tracking your grocery spending, you can enter all your grocery receipts under this tab. The total will automatically populate in the actuals under groceries. This means you don't have to keep track of daily, weekly, or monthly grocery purchases separately. It is all done for you. Once you've entered everything, the summary section will automatically group your expenses into categories like bills, loans, savings, and donations. On the right side, you will see 2 percentages. One is percentage of budget. This shows how much of your planned budget you've used, whether you stayed within budget or went over. The next one is percentage of income. This shows how much of your actual income is going toward each category. And to make things super clear, all of this is displayed in easy to read graphs. Final tips. If you accidentally type over a formula or see an error, just undo the action. If you can't fix it, no worries. Simply download a fresh copy from your original email and start again. You can make a new copy for every month you want to budget. That's it, you're all set. Thank you again for purchasing the monthly budget tracker. I hope you enjoy using it. Stay tuned, like, follow, and share for some quick tips on managing the differences between your budget and actual spending.